kampanya na ulit. So I'm proposing 6 years po.
Ang Supreme Court po ay nagsabi, unconstitutional daw po yung law na pag-postpone natin ng barangay at sangguniang kabataan na dapat daw po ay isinagawa na. At ngayon po, gusto na naman nating dagdagan.
Maybe for us, 3 years is so short a term for a good barangay captain.
But too long.
On the
for
other
a
hand,
bad one.
it's too long for a very bad barangay captain. So kung gagawin nating 6 years, paano natin ma-satisfy yung mga apprehensions ng ating mga kababayan doon sa barangay? I hope that this measure will ultimately cure yung problema natin about extension.
Tama.
Nung ma-fix na ito, then wala na tayong problema. Sana, tapos na ito.
Attempt to answer the questions of Senator De La Rosa.
Thank you, Madam Sponsor. Thank you, Mr. President. If as said by the good sponsor, she's ready to answer my questions, ma'am.
Thank you.
My first question is, what's the rationale behind this proposed measure?
Yes, we are proposing that the term of 3 years be amended to 6 years. Alam naman natin na nakailang amendment na tayo, in-extend natin 2 beses, kaya ngayon ang Korte Suprema sinabi na bawal na yung pa-extend. So ang suggestion ko, i-amend na natin, ipirma na natin sa 6 na taon, kasi yung 3 taon sa barangay, sa dinami-dami ng trabaho nila, talagang hindi na nila magampanan. Yung nasa local government codes, ang katutak yun, yung iba't iba pang batas, yung mga solid waste, environment, anti-drug, sang katutak na batas to be implemented by the barangay, tapos their own functions pa. So, sa 3 taon, yung unang taon, as we know, nangangapapa, yung 2nd taon, nagtatrabaho, yung 3 taon, kampanya na ulit. So, they're not able to do very much at paiba-iba na lang at pa-extend tayo, hindi tuloy na paplano ng maigi. So, I'm proposing 6 years po because we've been changing from 1982 to 2002. Naging 6 years, naging 5 years, naging 3 years, 5 years, 3 years na liwat. So iba-iba. So once and for all, let's fix it at 6 years para hindi na maisabay sa presidential election, hindi na siya kukontra at may sarili na siyang timing and schedule.
Thank you, Madam Sponsor. Mr. President, actually, I am very supportive of this particular measure.
Yes,
But meron lang akong kunting apprehensions like sa mga narinig natin.
Yes.
Mga